on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in. From the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child. Then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2 we don't need no pause. You miss me, we gon' get tipsy. Don't need a power slide.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel.
Got my heart no in the bed.
Let's get your SWFT card set up in a couple of minutes. For iPhone XR and newer, hold the card to the top of the phone. Open the link and a welcome page will load. For Android phones, hold at the middle back of the phone with NFC enabled in settings. The exact location will vary on the device. You can also scan the QR code from the camera app in your phone. On the welcome page, select Create a new profile and go through the steps on screen. Once the profile has been created, the card will be activated. Double-check it's working by scanning again and your profile should load. And that's it! If you have any issues, reach out and we will be glad to help. Happy networking!